Managing diabetes becomes simpler and more precise with a reliable insulin pen. Designed for comfort, accuracy, and convenience, these devices make insulin delivery quick and nearly painless, whether at home or on the go. To help you choose the right one, here are the best 4 insulin pens that combine smart design, ease of use, and dependable performance for effective diabetes management. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 4, Humapen Insulin Pen. The Humapen Insulin Pen represents a blend of thoughtful design, reliability, and comfort, making insulin delivery simpler and more convenient for people managing diabetes. Built by Lilly, a trusted name in diabetes care, this pen is a precise, reusable insulin delivery device created to provide users with full control and consistency in every injection. What makes it so appealing is the way it merges medical accuracy with ergonomic design, transforming what could be a stressful task into a smooth and confident routine. From the very first touch, the Humapen feels solid yet comfortable in hand. Its ergonomic structure is designed for both right and left-handed users, offering a natural grip that minimizes fatigue during frequent use. The balance and weight distribution are carefully tuned to make insulin administration steady and predictable, even for those new to self-injection. Unlike disposable syringes, this device uses a refillable 3 ml insulin cartridge, ensuring precision in dosage while reducing waste. Each dialed dose clicks into place with reassuring clarity, helping users confirm exactly how much insulin they're delivering. No guesswork, no uncertainty. What sets the Humapen apart is its commitment to both safety and simplicity. With no batteries required, it's always ready when you are, no charging, no power interruptions, and no hidden maintenance concerns. Its fully mechanical system ensures reliable performance in any setting, whether at home, at work, or on the go. Constructed from durable composite materials, it's built to last, maintaining consistent function through repeated use while still being lightweight enough for portability. Its compact design makes it discreet and easy to carry, fitting seamlessly into a pocket, travel kit, or daily diabetes bag. The pen's lancing and injection mechanism operates smoothly, with minimal effort needed to administer a dose. This reduces discomfort, particularly for those who inject multiple times a day. Each injection is designed to be as painless as possible, and the intuitive operation makes it suitable for users of all experience levels. Though labeled as a medical support product, the Humapen's true purpose goes beyond function. It restores confidence and control to those who rely on insulin every day. For anyone looking to simplify their insulin routine without sacrificing precision or comfort, the Humapen Insulin Pen delivers a reliable and user-centered solution. It stands out as an elegant combination of engineering and practicality, making diabetes management feel less like a burden and more like an empowered daily habit. Pros: precision, comfort, portability, durability. Cons: manual operation, cartridge dependent. Number 3. Schbit Insulin Pen. The Schbit Insulin Pen, also known as the Eli Lilly second-generation Humapen Classic, is a refined insulin delivery device designed to make daily injections smoother, safer, and more comfortable for people living with diabetes. It combines precision engineering with a classic, no-fuss design that ensures consistent insulin administration every single time. This pen was created with one simple goal in mind: to give users confidence and control in their diabetes care routine, all in a lightweight and easy-to-use form. At first glance, the Schbit Insulin Pen feels solid, sleek, and thoughtfully built. Crafted from durable PVC material, it has a smooth finish that fits comfortably in the hand, allowing for a steady and controlled grip during injection. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort, especially for those who need to inject multiple times throughout the day. The mechanical delivery system operates with reassuring smoothness, making it ideal for both new users and experienced individuals who value accuracy and simplicity. Every click while dialing the dose feels deliberate, providing the certainty that you're getting the right amount of insulin with every use. What truly distinguishes this pen is its reliability. It requires no batteries or electrical power, functioning entirely through precise mechanical calibration. That means no charging, no malfunctions, and no waiting, just dependable performance when you need it most. The simplicity of its operation makes it accessible for users of all ages, especially those who prefer a straightforward and predictable experience. It's compatible with standard insulin cartridges, making refills convenient and cost-effective while maintaining consistent dosing accuracy. The Schbit insulin pen is lightweight and portable, designed for effortless daily carry. Whether tucked into a bag, placed in a pocket, or stored with other diabetic supplies, it remains discreet, yet ready at any moment. The pen's steady injection flow and gentle action help reduce discomfort, making insulin administration less intimidating and more manageable. For those balancing busy lifestyles, its dependable functionality removes unnecessary complexity, letting you focus on living rather than managing equipment. Although the device doesn't feature advanced digital components like Bluetooth or memory storage, its simplicity is actually one of its greatest strengths. It eliminates technical distractions and focuses entirely on reliable insulin delivery. The Schbit insulin pen embodies practicality, comfort, and efficiency, all in one classic design that continues to stand the test of time in diabetes care. Pros: reliability, comfort, precision, portability. Cons: no Bluetooth, manual refilling. Number 2. Hengycs WH-RA 3 Insulin Pen. This is designed for individuals who want a reliable solution without unnecessary complexity. This pen combines durable construction with an easy-to-use automatic mechanism that takes the stress out of daily injections. It's the kind of tool that feels solid in your hand and provides the confidence you need when managing insulin therapy, whether at home or on the go. From the very first use, the WH-RA 3 demonstrates how convenience can blend beautifully with precision. Its automatic injection function ensures a steady and controlled flow of insulin, minimizing discomfort while delivering doses accurately each time. This smooth and consistent delivery makes it especially ideal for users who may struggle with manual syringes or prefer a more effortless experience. The device's well-balanced design and ergonomic grip allow for stable handling, ensuring that injections feel as natural and pain-free as possible. One of the most appealing qualities of the Hengycs WH-RA 3 insulin pen is its mechanical simplicity. It requires no batteries, no charging, and no digital setup. Just insert your insulin cartridge, set your dose, and inject with a single clean press. This manual precision means it's always ready when you need it, without the worry of power failures or complicated electronics. Despite its straightforward nature, the pen delivers professional-level performance with the consistency you would expect from a high-end insulin injector. Built from high-quality materials, the WH-RA 3 is durable enough for long-term use while still maintaining a sleek, lightweight profile that fits easily into any travel case or daily diabetes kit. The design reflects practicality in every detail, from its smooth surface to the clearly marked dosage dial that helps prevent mistakes. Its reliability makes it a strong choice for users seeking a fuss-free yet effective insulin delivery option that feels natural and intuitive. The Hengycs WH-RA 3 Insulin Pen is more than just a medical device. It's a companion for anyone striving to make insulin management simpler and more comfortable. It brings together mechanical reliability, ergonomic design, and ease of use into one seamless experience that empowers users to take control of their health confidently. Pros: reliability, comfort, ease, durability. Cons: no batteries. Number 1, and the winner is Novopen 4 Novo Insulin Pen. This pen transforms the experience of insulin delivery into something smoother, faster, and nearly effortless. With its sleek, portable form and elegant craftsmanship, the Novopen 4 embodies the perfect blend of practicality and sophistication, delivering consistent accuracy with every dose. What immediately makes this device stand out is its portability. Compact and beautifully designed, it fits easily into a purse, pocket, or diabetes travel kit, and even comes with a small complimentary carrying bag for added convenience. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the move, The Novopen 4 ensures you can inject confidently anywhere, anytime. Its metal and plastic construction provides durability without sacrificing comfort, giving it a sturdy, professional feel that lasts through years of daily use. Using the Novopen 4 feels reassuringly precise. The bidirectional dose regulation system is one of its most user-friendly features, allowing you to easily correct dosage errors before injection. No wasted insulin, no unnecessary stress. This flexibility is especially valuable for users who are new to insulin therapy, or those who require frequent adjustments in their dosing. The clear viewing window makes monitoring and setting doses simple, ensuring that even first-time users can master its operation quickly and confidently. The injection process itself is impressively comfortable. The mechanism delivers insulin smoothly and evenly, making each injection feel nearly painless, a thoughtful improvement for anyone who injects multiple times a day. The ergonomically designed button and grip enhance stability, ensuring effortless control during every use. Compatible with the full range of Novo Nordisk insulin cartridges, it offers complete versatility and consistency, no matter which Novo formulation you use. With Novo Nordisk's long-standing reputation for quality and innovation behind it, the Novopen 4 is more than just a tool. It's a trusted medical companion. Its reliability has made it a favorite among healthcare professionals and patients alike, providing peace of mind through accurate dosing and dependable construction. This pen is a testament to how great design can make a daily medical necessity feel empowering rather than burdensome. The Novopen 4 insulin pen stands out as a benchmark in diabetes management, blending precision engineering, comfort, and user-centered design to deliver a truly effortless injection experience every time. Pros: precision, comfort, portability, durability. Cons: manual refilling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.